How to do long division. 4 steps. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, and bring it on back. Now, I'm not going to sit here and wrap this for you, but there is an awesome wrap to help you understand. So listen up. So what did those kids do in the video? Well, it's really pretty straightforward. They started with their dividend. Let's say we have 512. And we're going to divide it by our divisor. Let's say 2. Now, what did they do? Their steps were divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. If you noticed in the video, they had their little sign. Divide, multiply, and subtract. Bring it on down and bring it on back. So what's that mean? First, we're going to divide into the first number. 2 goes into 5 how many times? 2. Now let's check how much we used. We're going to multiply. 2 times 2 is 4. We're then going to subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1. We're then going to bring down the 1 and go back to the beginning of our statement. Divide. 2 goes into 11. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 5 times. Multiply to check how much we used. 5 times 2 is 10. Subtract. 11 minus 10. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Bring down here 2. And go back to the beginning of our statement. Divide. 2 goes into 12. 6 times. Multiply to check what you used. 2 times 6 is 12. Subtract to find out what's left. 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Bring it on down. There's nothing left, so we're done. We can do this even if there's decimals, and we will learn how to do that. But this is the basics of division. Try another one. 5 is your divisor into your dividend. 3, 10. Divide. 5 goes into 3. 0 times. 0 times 5 to check what we used is 0. Subtract. 3. Bring it down. 1. Bring it on back. Divide. 5 goes into 30 6 times. Multiply. 6 times 5 is 30. Subtract. 1 minus 0 is 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. Bring it on down and go back to the beginning. Divide. 5 goes into 10 2 times. Multiply. 5 times 2 is 10. Subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. And bring down. There's nothing to bring down. So your answer, 0, 6, 2. Well, that's not quite right. It's really just 62.